Hello, this is Hans van Agge Web Design, and this is a little small video about the validation of email fields in Webflow. As you can see, I have here a little form with an email address on it and another one to control if the input is the same. It took me a little while to get this form working on Webflow. I used ChatGPT for this to write the JavaScript code, because I'm not a coder, and it took me several hours to get this working, and I won't bother you with the whole path I took to get this done, but I will show you what I came up with. So this is the form. It's a very simple form. It has only a name input field and 2 email fields. Let's see, in the backend, for the JavaScript to work properly, the first field I gave the ID of email 1 and the second one of email 2. And in this particular case, the form has the ID of formulier, but you can name it whatever you want. That same is for these fields. You can name it Mickey Mouse if you want to, only if the ID is unique for the field. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do on the Webflow form. So give the form a unique name and the 2 fields, every field a unique name, and then you're ready. Okay, in this case we have to put in a little bit of JavaScript, and I will show you what JavaScript this is. This is the CDN for Parsley.js. That's a JavaScript library that you have to load in to get this baby working. That's what I found out. I tried it without CDN, with the Webflow library, but nothing worked, and this one is working. So this one here above is grayed out because I thought we had to load jQuery also, but you can leave it out. So this works with only the CDN for Parsley.js. Then we go a little bit down, and this is the whole script that you need to get this working. As you can see, the formulier has here the ID of formulier, so you can fill in whatever you want. And here you have the ID of the first field and the second field. And here's the text, the alert box that will show up if these fields are not equal to each other, because here they will be validated through Parsley email 1 and email 2. It's a little bit of code, but it works perfect. Okay, I will show you. So this is all set. Then I load it up to Webflow, and when I put in my name here, and I put an email address here and another one here, and I change this to a K instead of a L, and I click submit. Now you will see the box, the value of both email fields must be equal. Okay, now I fill in the correct land code, but for the sake of this video I will remove the B from web design. Submit again. Okay, still not the same. Now I put in the B from web design again and submit. Now it says it's also not equal because I forget to put in the G for NL, and now they must be the same if I'm not, and now it's sent, and now you get your email in your email box, I hope. Okay, so this is a little video about a big problem that I had, because a client of mine wanted this validation, and I didn't want to get any third party involved. I want to do this with Webflow only, and not with Wist, and not with Make, and not with Zapier, and whatever. Just plain Webflow and a little bit of JavaScript code, and this is working fine. So I will put the JavaScript and the CDN in the top of in the description below, so that you can copy it and make it work. Okay, dat sounds for web design. Bye bye.